These are the SoundPEATS clear wireless earbuds, an affordable pair of true wireless earbuds packed with a lot of features. It has a really cool transparent design. In this video, I'm going to tell you why these are now my everyday earbuds. Let's get into it. When Apple released the AirPods at the end of 2016, they were really hard to get, but eventually I did get some and I was hooked. Since then, my preferred way to listen to music or podcasts is with true wireless headphones or earbuds. My name is Patrick and this is Everyday Tech for everyday people. And today we're looking at these wireless earbuds from SoundPEATS. Now, full disclosure, SoundPEATS did reach out to me and asked me if I would want to review these earbuds. They're not reviewing this video before it goes up. All my opinions are my own. So as these AirPods, which are first gen, will eventually reach their end of life, I've always wondered what will be my next pair of true wireless earbuds. But my main question was, do I really want to spend $150 to $170 on a new set of AirPods? Not really. So I've been trying out different inexpensive headphones and earbuds, and I think I really found ones that could finally replace my AirPods. The SoundPEATS Clear are true wireless earbuds that has Bluetooth 5.3, has 12mm drivers, dual microphones with noise cancellation, is IPX4 rated, which makes it suitable for workouts or light rain, and also has an app that lets you customize the sound of the earbuds. Now, the earbuds can last to about 7 hours on a single charge, and with the charging case, you can charge these up 5 times, giving you a total listening time about 40 hours. Now, you can charge these via USB-C. Fortunately, they don't support wireless charging, which would have made these earbuds almost perfect. Recently, I reviewed some inexpensive earbuds by Aki, and those actually do have wireless charging, but when it comes to comfort, the SoundPEATS are far superior. I was quite surprised at how comfortable and how well these fit in my ears. Like the Aki earbuds, they do come with extra ear tips in different sizes, but the ones that are already on these earbuds feel comfortable in my ears. As far as sound quality is concerned, music and spoken content are very clear. Unlike the Aki earbuds, which are too heavy on the bass, the SoundPEATS Clear have a very balanced sound. Now, if you do want to go heavier on the bass or adjust to any kind of EQ, you can, because there is a companion app that you can download. Each of these earbuds have dual microphones on them with ENC, which stands for Environmental Noise Cancellation. Now, this should result in clear microphone quality and even in noisy environments. So let's first test out the microphones in a quiet environment. But as always, the main device I compare microphone quality on earbuds or headphones to are my first gen AirPods. I still think those are like the best microphone quality as far as true wireless headphones or earbuds that you can get. So now I have on the first generation Apple AirPods. My name is Patrick and this is Everyday Tech for everyday people. And today we're here in a quiet environment. So now I'm wearing the SoundPEATS Clear true wireless earbuds. My name is Patrick and this is Everyday Tech for everyday people. And I'm here in a quiet environment. I'm using my first gen AirPods in a simulated noisy environment. My name is Patrick and this is Everyday Tech for everyday people. I'm now using the SoundPEATS Clear in a simulated noisy environment. My name is Patrick and this is Everyday Tech for everyday people. As you can hear, the sound result that I'm getting from the SoundPEATS Clear microphone is really awesome. It really picks up a full sound, especially compared to the first gen AirPods, which aren't bad. Again, I haven't really tested out any later generation AirPods, which I'm sure those microphones have improved as well, but I'm really impressed with these little guys. I'm recording this video right now with these, the SoundPEATS right now, but it's going through some audio processing just to show you where we can get the audio to as well. Now, a little word on the noisy environment simulation. I wasn't able to actually go to a coffee shop to test them out, but I did pull up a website that played a track of a coffee shop environment. And sometimes you kind of need that when you're actually working. So I'll link that in the description below as well. Future Patrick here. As I was editing the video, I realized I forgot to mention a feature that I really do like about these earbuds, the ability to switch between devices very easily. Now, there are 2 ways to do this. Once it's connected to one device and you want to connect it to another one, the device is connected to, you just go into the Bluetooth settings there, disconnect that connection, it'll automatically put the earbuds into pairing mode and then pair it up with your other device. The other way to do it is just put your finger and press it on the earbud itself for about 3 to 5 seconds. It'll put it into pairing mode and then connect it on the new device. It's really that simple. Okay, back to the video. So do I recommend the SoundPEATS True Wireless Earbuds? I think it's obvious that I do, especially as I mentioned in the beginning, that these are now my everyday earbuds. The 12mm drivers really do deliver a crisp and balanced sound. With a companion mobile app, you can really dial in the sound profile to your personal taste. It has a really cool transparent design and fits my ears very comfortably. The only downside I would say is that it doesn't have wireless charging on the case. It does have USB-C, but no wireless charging. But it's hard to complain, especially at this price point, as of this recording, these sell for under $30 on Amazon with an additional coupon. At that price, it's hard to find a better value than these earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Until the next one, see ya.